guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sunny, and today we are here with Dream Aero. We are going to learn to fly a plane. We are going to try to fly a 737. We are going to try our best because we have no experience, but we're going to learn so much today. We've got an instructor who's going to tell us all the things that we need to know and help walk us through the process. So if you've ever wondered what it's like in a cockpit, come along with us. I'm so excited. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I'm so nervous, but I think we're gonna have such a good time.
What kills the jet engine is heat. And the more energy you're asking for that engine, it's gonna shorten the what they call TBOs, time between overhauls. It's gonna shorten the lifespan of the engine. And remember, an airline is a business with wings. So if the plane doesn't need all that power to get off the ground,
then
why use
don't use it. Yeah, okay.
You're gonna save fuel, you're gonna save the life of the engine. You may not have enough hard surface runway to stop.
If you lose an engine on takeoff though, can you still?
No big deal.
No big deal. Okay.
No, slow it up.
But could you still fly without it?
All twin engine airplanes are made to fly on one engine.
Oh, okay.
So, and that's the call after the next one.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Ready to go flying?
I'm ready. I'm excited. It's a very cool.
Watch your head, sweetheart.
Oh, thank you kindly. Ooh.
See these buttons down here?
Yeah.
Okay. You're going to bring your power up to about 35, 40%, somewhere around there. Not exact. When it gets there, press down on either of those buttons. Wait, press down. So you're going up by himself?
Holy cow.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
We were in Sweden. I'll put us back at National. Unless you want to go somewhere else.
Sweden's fine.
No.
You go anywhere.
So what I want you to do
Okay.
is you want to make sure both engines are putting out about the same amount of power.
Okay.
So this is called N1. That's the first stage of the turbine engine. Okay? If they're putting out about the same, if they're not putting out the same amount of power, you're going to get asymmetric thrust.
Right.
Okay? So you want to make sure both engines are putting out about the same amount of power. Okay? As we're going down, you're going to add power. We'll do one together. That's just a warning horn because we have the brakes on. I don't have that's a configuration. I don't have the flaps set. Ready? You ready?
I'm nervous.
Your airplane. Want to do this one together?
Yes.
Okay. Now press straight down on either button.
Holy cow.
Feet on the rudders.
Yeah.
Little forward pressure on the yoke. This way's forward. Airspeed's alive.
Oh my goodness.
So this is what it looks like. 130 V1.
Oh, and over
Rotate.
here.
A little more. Positive rate. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. Relax your arm. Push forward. Push
forward.
Right there. Positive rate.
Gear up.
Sure. Okay. Start a left turn.
Too much.
Just relax.
Okay.
Relax.
Oh my gosh.
As our speed goes up, you'd say mark flaps 2.
Flaps 2.
Start bringing your flaps up. And you'd say after takeoff climb check.
Ooh.
So now look.
There's so many things to do.
And it happens awfully fast.
Oh my
doesn't it?
goodness, you just said so many words in 10 seconds.
And now start rolling out on your heading. Coming up on 3,000 feet. Take your right hand. And start coming back with the power. Lower your nose.
Ooh. Oh, so that's what we feel in the back is when they're leveling.
Yep.
Okay.
There you go. Here's your takeoff.
Wow! That was so cool.
Fast, right?
It was so fast. Oh my goodness.
You ready to do it on your own?
Oh man. Yeah, let's try it.
Right hand here.
Right hand here. And then we're going.
And you bring the power up. Feet on the rudders.
Yeah.
Until we take off.
And then we're at.
Just relax.
And then we're just hanging out.
Yeah,
we're just
push forward a little
relaxing.
Yeah, just
La la la. We're keeping it straight so we're not running into
straight
anything.
with your feet like that. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, look, airspeed's alive. Here's 80. Rotate. Nice. A little more. Feet flat on the floor. Nice. Hold it right there. Hold it right there. Don't pull back anymore.
Oh, just kidding.
Right there.
Yeah.
Positive rate.
Gear up.
Good. Start a left turn. Start a left turn to that heading. Take your left thumb and press forward, press up on that button. That's it. Just 1 or 2 seconds at a time. As our airspeed goes up, mark flaps 2.
Oh my gosh, this is
Lower your
so
nose.
crazy.
Lower your nose. Watch
yep.
your heading. Lower your nose.
And then, wait, yeah.
There you go.
Oh my goodness.
Now we're going to do a stall.
Okay.
So we're flying along, and all of a sudden we got lifted up like this. In the airplane, you're going to get da-da-da-da-da-da.
Mm-hmm.
That's called a stick shaker. That's the stall. We're going to lower the nose right to about here. Add power, max power. And then as the speed starts building up, start bringing the nose up and start coming back with the power. Below 10,000 feet around the globe, with some exceptions, you're not allowed to exceed 250 on your speed.
Okay.
Okay? It's a speed limit. So now we're going to do some maneuvers.
Okay,
I just want you to get used to something. Can you get the flaps up? Okay. So now as our heading is coming in, start turning back.
Okay.
Roll out. Now, okay. Now, climb. Let's climb. We're going to do a couple maneuvers.
Okay.
Just to give you an idea what it's like.
Yeah.
Okay. So the steep turn, remember we talked about these hash marks?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's hold our altitude. So let's do a steep turn. This is a 30-degree bank.
Bank angle. Bank angle.
This is 45.
Oh, that's
okay.
Bank angle.
steep.
So right about here, add a little bit of power. Now look at your altitude. It's holding. See?
Wow. And I don't feel anything.
No, close your eyes. do you think you're in a turn?
No, this is great.
Okay. So now, this is something you're going to have to do for your check ride.
Okay.
Okay? Now go back in the other direction. Don't forget to breathe. No, you're doing okay.
Oh, man.
Well, just watch your altitude.
Okay. This is so nerve-wracking.
500.
No? Okay.
We're going to continue the approach. A
Okay.
little high. Come back a little bit.
100. Plus.
Now look at the far end of the runway.
Okay.
20.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Lower the nose. Reverse. Get on the brakes. Bring your feet up on the pedals. Step down on the top of the pedals where the brakes are. Nicely done.
Oh my gosh, they're never flying with me again. All right, guys, so that was literally one of the coolest experiences ever. I've never known what went into being a pilot, and yet there are so many steps, like so many buttons you have to push, so many words that you have to communicate with each other in order to make sure that everything goes smoothly and you're safely bringing in all these people. So I had the time of my life. I hope you learned some things. I'm very interested. Maybe I'll get my pilot's license. We'll see. If you want to see more videos like this, please head on over to my channel, Sunny's Favorites. Until next time, guys.